Have you ever wondered which machine decides the quality of every MDF board we see in furniture, flooring, and interiors? Today, we reveal the vibrating screen, the hidden hero inside every MDF plant. In the world of industrial engineering, precision is everything. The vibrating screen is the first line of defense in MDF production. Its role is simple, yet vital. It separates perfect wood fibers from oversized particles, bark, and unwanted impurities. Without this process, MDF boards would be weak, uneven, and full of defects. But how does it work? The screen deck vibrates at high speed using powerful eccentric motors. This vibration creates controlled oscillations. Wood fibers fall onto the screen mesh. Fine, uniform fibers pass through the openings, while oversized particles remain on top and are carried away. Think of it as a massive industrial filter where only the best fibers make it through. The vibrating screen doesn't just clean fibers, it also protects expensive downstream machines from damage, reduces downtime, and guarantees high-quality output. In simple words, it ensures consistency, strength, and smoothness in every MDF board produced. This is why engineers admire it. A simple vibration mechanism, yet it controls the quality of an entire industrial process. The vibrating screen may look ordinary, but its impact is extraordinary. It is the backbone of MDF board production. If powerful machines and engineering wonders fascinate you, subscribe to Mechanical Guru and discover the world of industrial technology like